Today we take a smooth drive along one of the most transformative roads in Kenya, the Nairobi Expressway. Our journey begins here at City Cabanas on the eastern side of Nairobi, one of the main entry points to the expressway. From here, the road stretches across the city, connecting the busy gateway of Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to the heart of the capital. Opened in 2022, the Nairobi Expressway was built to solve one of the city's biggest challenges, traffic congestion along Mombasa Road. For many years, this corridor was known for long traffic jams that could easily turn a short trip into a 2-hour journey. But today, the expressway offers a faster, elevated route across the city. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this drive as we travel from City Cabanas to the CBD. As we enter the expressway at City Cabanas, you can immediately notice the difference. The road is smooth, well marked, and designed for uninterrupted movement. Unlike the lower roads where traffic lights and intersections slow everything down, the expressway allows vehicles to move continuously above the city. This section runs parallel to Mombasa Road, one of the busiest highways in Kenya. Below us, the regular traffic continues its daily rhythm. Buses, matatus, trucks, and private cars navigating their way through the city. But up here, the experience is completely different. This part of Nairobi is one of the city's most important transport corridors. Mombasa Road connects the capital to the port of Mombasa, the main gateway for imports and exports in Kenya and several neighboring countries. Because of this, thousands of trucks travel this route every day. Before the expressway was built, this heavy traffic often caused major delays. Today, the elevated expressway helps separate long-distance and fast-moving vehicles from local traffic below. As we continue driving, you may notice the industrial and commercial buildings along this corridor: warehouses, logistic companies, car dealerships, and office blocks. This area has grown rapidly over the years due to its strategic location between the airport and the city center. As we continue the journey, the scenery slowly begins to change. The wide industrial spaces gradually give way to a more urban environment. We start seeing more high-rise buildings and commercial centers. This stretch of the expressway offers a unique perspective of Nairobi, one that most people never experienced before the road was built. From up here, you can see parts of the city skyline rising in the distance. The expressway itself is an impressive engineering project. Much of it is elevated, supported by massive concrete pillars that carry the road above existing streets and buildings. Constructing a road like this in a busy city is never simple. It requires careful planning, precise engineering, and coordination to ensure the city continues functioning during construction. We are now getting closer to the central part of Nairobi. Traffic often increases here, especially during peak hours when commuters are traveling to and from the city center. One of the biggest advantages of this road is time. A journey that once took over an hour during rush hour can now take less than 20 minutes. For daily commuters, business travelers, and visitors arriving from the airport, that time saving makes a huge difference. The expressway has also changed how many people move around the city. Some drivers prefer the faster toll road, while others continue using the traditional routes below. Together, the two systems help distribute traffic across Nairobi. As our journey continues, we begin approaching the exit toward Haile Selassie. This area marks the gateway into Nairobi's central business district. From here, drivers can easily connect to different parts of the city, including Westlands, Upper Hill, and the downtown area. For anyone coming from the airport or the eastern side of Nairobi, this exit provides one of the fastest routes into the city center. And that brings us to the end of this drive along the Nairobi Expressway from City Cabanas into the CBD. In just a short time, we've traveled across one of Nairobi's most important modern transport projects. Whether you're commuting to work, heading to the airport, or simply exploring the city, the expressway has become a key part of how Nairobi moves today. If you enjoyed this journey through Nairobi, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more road trips and city drives across Kenya. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Have you driven on the Nairobi Expressway yet? And what do you think about it? Thank you for riding along, and I'll see you in the next journey.